Hi, this is Shridham. Welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. Today video is very important video because in this video I'm gonna tell you how to create a full website in just 3 steps. Like you don't have to go add more things in your website. You can get a professional website according to your choice just for free. Okay, for it's totally free, it's for beginners and it is very good. So let's start. Log into your dashboard and you have to install a plugin which is called startup which is called responsive startup templates. Okay, responsive startup templates, where you can find a lot of free templates, professional templates according to your choice. This is the first step. We have to install this template and I'm going to tell you how this template totally give you a lot of things. You can add it with the web beta editor also. You can add it with elementors. This is too much easy and simple. So how you can edit it, how you can download it, so I'm gonna tell you with just 3 simple steps. Okay, now I just download this template, this plugin. So as you install this plugin, you will see a some responsive get started and responsive template. You have to click on responsive templates. You can also visit your website how it's look like. This is our website that the WordPress providers by default. So I'm going to tell you how to convert this super fast in a professional website 2023. So okay, as you click on responsive templates, you will come here on responsive starter templates. Okay, so what you have to do, you will see a lot of template over here. Okay, this is a pro. I'm gonna give you a free. Okay, you can also view it. You will see a preview option here. Just preview it if you want to preview. Oh, you can see that it's how it's look like. Okay, first preview and then decide what page you want. Okay, okay. So what you have to do, you will see some all option over here. You can choose a business website if you want. Okay, and you can also see from check on a free, and you will see a lot of free business website appear here. Okay, like that you will see a lot of over here. Okay, you can choose according to your choice and you can also search. And if you want any blog website, also you can choose a blog website. For example, this one is a food website, so you can see it looks so amazing. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, how you can do that, you have to click on import site. Okay, import site, as you click on import site, you have to do this import site. So all the things of these pages, this template will be converted in your website. Okay, this plugin automatically install all the plugins that be required for your website. Okay, these are also import content and much more. Okay, this may take some minor time. As you can see, our website is now ready. Let's import. Let's launch site. Okay, as you can see now. Okay, I'm gonna show you some difference. It's the website that provides is a homepage that provided by WordPress by default, and this is that provided by that template, that is the responsive starter templates. Okay, so you can see how it looks so amazing. And this also provide us some pages like home, about, blog, contact, and recipe, and some sample page. You can delete which page you don't want. Okay, so if I refresh this page, this also look like this one page. Okay, so if you want to edit this, as I told you, if what plugins we need for this template, this plugin automatically download that plugins that we need for it. Okay, as you can see with the edit with Elementor, if you want to edit it, you can easily edit it. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Okay, so you can see that I just refresh it and it's appear like that. Okay, so let's go with Elementor. Okay, as you can see now we are on our Elementor editor. So what thing we want to edit, for example, you just have to click on that place, which place you want to edit. For example, you want to add this picture, just click on that blog, that image, you can edit from here. For example, you just have to click on section that you want to change. Okay, you can add or delete text. If you don't know how to use the Elementor, uh, please watch my all video according to the Elementor, so you will know better how to do or how to edit it. So if someone knows how to edit with Elementor, so you can see how our pages work, how our website is working. As you can see, it's so good, anyone can use this. It's for the beginners and it's very professional, so you can edit according to your choice. What you can also edit the footer here. For example, you want to add or delete anything, you can also edit the header here. So this is how it's working. Okay, I'm gonna show you some more pages. For example, from the pages you can see what pages they provide us, like they provide us about page. If you want to view this page, you can also view. Okay, and this one is our blog page, you can view all. Okay, this one is our blog page, you can add or delete the blog over here. If you want to create a new one, blog or page, blog or post or page, you can add by here, or you can also add by going here. Okay, and this one is our automatically created contact us page. Okay, so you can see it's so good. And this is our about us page. You just have to customize or edit your thing you want to add. For example, if you want to write a new blog, and okay, so they are also provide us privacy policy page, and this one is a recipe page. Okay, so let's view it. Okay, this is our recipe page. How you can write your recipe here, you just have to edit it and add your recipe here. You can add, or you can edit with this Elementor. Okay, or you can also edit with beta editor, that is the WordPress editor. So this is, it's too simple, and this is very professional websites provide by this plugin, this responsive plugin. You just have to go install it. You can also get the link of this plugin or name of this plugin by the description, and you just have to go on responsive templates and you will get a lot of free templates. And if you want to go buy a new a pro version, this is also, you can also get the link from the description, and you can also buy this. I hope this video is very very useful for a beginner who really want, or who really knows and who is looking for a best website, a best professional prepare website. Okay, if you don't know how to edit the header, footer, and all the thing, I put all the video in details about edit, delete, and anything in my channel. You can take all the detailed video from my channel of everything. And if you have any questions about this, ask me in comment. I will definitely help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.